उनके नाम पर कुछ भी रखा जाएगा, भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस उसका स्वागत करती है। Indian National Congress welcomes that the Khel Ratan Puraskar has been named after one of the most celebrated sports persons, the person known as hockey ka jadugar, our celebrated sports person Major Dhyan Chand ji. We sincerely hope that Modi ji should not have used his myopic political motives to drag the name of a celebrated player like Major Dhyan Chand. Rajiv Gandhi ji is not known for any puraskars. Rajiv Gandhi ji is known for his sacrifice, for his ideas, for his commitment to India, for his sacrifice for India, and the manner in which Rajiv Gandhi ji transformed India into the 21st century. Just so that you know, and Modi ji knows, there is already Sarvottam Khel Puraskar after Major Dhyan Chand ji since 2002. We are happy that one more, that is the Khel Ratan Puraskar, has also been named after Major Dhyan Chand. Modi ji, you cut the sports budget by 230 crores in an Olympic year, and now you are trying to be myopic and also draw attention away from the core and fundamental issues of farmers, their problems, the agitating farmers, the farmers who have sacrificed themselves, the runaway inflation, and the Pegasus spyware that Modi government has unleashed on the people of this country. We sincerely hope now that a new beginning has been made, Modi ji will announce changing the name of Narendra Modi Stadium and Arun Jaitley Stadium and name it after legendary sports persons like Sardar Milkha Singh, Sunil Gavaskar, Sachin Tendulkar, Kapil Dev, Leander Paes, P.T. Usha, Mary Kom, Abhinav Bindra, and many, many others. We sincerely hope that instead of being myopic and parochial, Modi ji will truly celebrate the success of our legendary sports persons. Thank you.
Randeep Surjewala there, pretty much echoing what Shama Mohammed also said just a short while back, saying that all the names should be changed to celebrated sports persons as well, and this should be a beginning of that kind of a move. Essentially, also pointing out that they are happy with this change and the fact that it has been named after Major Dhyan Chand. And at this point in time, that is what Randeep Surjewala is saying as far as this move is concerned. But he's also said that we expect the BJP to rename the stadiums that have been named after